Getting out of the second wave is vaccination, which has started at the hospitals even on Sundays after the government had opened up vaccination on all days in the week, even on gazetted holidays. On Easter, for example, they are now being vaccinated, something that the working class has welcomed.
As the number of Covid-19 cases are again on a very steep rise across the country, the government of India is now focusing more and more on vaccination. Vaccination being the biggest weapon we have against this virus. There have been certain changes in rules according to the Health Ministry. The registration of healthcare workers have now been stopped from 1st of April. However, all the healthcare workers who have registered before that will be allowed to get the vaccinations. The government has certain logics behind this move. First logic is that ample time has already been given to the healthcare workers, and now they are trying to open up space and resources for other people, as the government has now included all people above 45 years of age eligible, making them eligible for the vaccinations. The second reason that the government has stated is that a lot of people who were ineligible were getting themselves registered in the category of healthcare workers, and in the violation of COVID rules, they were getting vaccinated. The second move that has been taken by the government is that opening vaccination on each and every day across the month. So as the cases are increasing, the government has decided that vaccinations will be open on all days. Earlier on Sundays, most of the hospitals were not vaccinating people, but now it will not only be open on Sundays, but also on the gazetted holidays. We'll talk to the people who are here for vaccination and we'll try to get their opinion that how do they feel about this. Right now we are in the Moolchand Hospital. We'll speak to some of the people who are presently sitting here. Sir, you are here for vaccination. Right. The number of cases are increasing very, very fastly. First of all, I just want to get an opinion of yours. How important do you think the vaccination is at this point of time?
Very, very important. In fact, it is very, very critical that all of us should get vaccinated as quickly as possible. The government is doing the right thing by opening up the vaccination centers also on holidays.
Yeah, I don't think people should hesitate. It's I think the most safest thing, and this is the only solution I think we have for fighting the COVID.
So what do you think about vaccine?
In fact, it is so important, and I believe that some of the people who are putting it on YouTube against the vaccination, they are doing a wrong thing, and they should not be doing that. If there is some research which is indicating something, that should be properly published in a research journal. Right. And only then it should be taken into cognizance. Right. Unfortunately, it is coming in the YouTube, so people are getting influenced.